Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Polynesian Villas and Bungalows to show you a deluxe studio with a standard view. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone to spread out.
Now this is a Disney Vacation Club room, but you can of course book it through the Walt Disney World website if you're paying just as a regular hotel guest and not a DVC member. This room has recently been remodeled with a soft goods refurbishment, which isn't a full remodel, but they have tweaked a few things. Most notably, the pull-out sofa bed is now a Murphy bed, which is much nicer, and we can't wait to show you.
Let's go check it out.
All right, as we first come into the room here, you can see on the right we do have a connecting door option. So there is a full-length mirror there. That door does connect to the studio next door. So you can have two connecting studios here at Polynesian, which is not typical with the DVC rooms. Over on our left, we have two bathrooms, both of which have those sliding barn doors to close them off. The one right here is your main bathroom. You've got some pictures of some tropical birds there on the wall, and over on the left we have our vanity. Just a single vanity here, but there is some storage space down below with some drawers and some little cubbies. A decent amount of counter space up here, including that little shelf right above the sink. And we do have the lighted mirror. Has a good amount of light because I got those lights built into the mirror there. We also have a tub and shower here in this bathroom. They have changed out a lot of the things here in the room to a different color, different decor with the soft goods refurbishment. The shower curtain is one of those things. You can see we've got the regular shower head installed there, no detachable shower head. And they do have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash over here on the wall. Also here in this bathroom, we have our toilet over in the corner, and we have a picture of some mermaids that look like they're from Mermaid Lagoon in Neverland from Peter Pan. Across from the first bathroom, we have our closet. Inside this closet, you'll find your safe right down there bolted to the little cubbies. We also have a luggage rack. We have some hangers and a closet rod. We have our extra pillow and blanket for the pull-down bed. We've got a laundry basket, and we also have an iron and an ironing board. And then over here to the left of the closet, we have our little kitchenette. This is a studio, so we do have just the regular kitchenette, not a full kitchen. We got a full-size coffee maker and a toaster. We have a mini fridge down here that's a pretty good size, but there is no freezer compartment in the mini fridge. And then above the counter here, we have some paper towels and a microwave. And then inside this cabinet, they have it stocked with plasticware, paper plates, paper bowls, paper cups, things like that. And then they have also, as you can see, updated the backsplash in here with the new pattern that matches the new colors and theming here in the room. Over on my left is the other bathroom we have. This one is a shower only. There is no tub in here, just the walk-in shower, but they do have a second vanity, a little bit bigger than the one in the main bathroom. So you've got a lot more counter space in here. You also have some storage down below, just like the other bathroom, and a hairdryer in that one little cubby. There's a makeup mirror here on the wall and another lighted mirror there on that wall. And then the walk-in shower is a pretty good size. The door swings out here, and you've got a bench in there, as well as the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and the tile work that matches the other shower. And then this shower does have the detachable shower head on the wall, and it also has the rainfall style shower head up there in the ceiling. We really prefer the rainfall style shower heads they have in these rooms and love it when they have those in the showers. Now, heading into the main part of the room here, we have a room that sleeps 5 people. So on the right, we have that pull-down 5th sleeper bed. And over on the left, we have the brand new Murphy bed. Used to be a pull-out couch. They've converted it to a Murphy bed, so you have a real mattress, not one of those fold-up mattresses down inside the couch. And we have, of course, the queen-size bed over here as our main bed. Now, this queen-size bed has a little bit of space down underneath for luggage to be stored, but you can see if you look to the side, it only goes back a little ways before you have some drawers, one on each side of the bed. So there's a little bit of storage space with the drawers down here in addition to the space for your luggage. And then our little end tables beside the bed, down below there, you'll see some outlets. There are some USB outlets as well as wall outlets below each drawer on each side of the bed. There's a phone over here on this side and our lamp, and then we do have some little lights that are recessed up in the ceiling along the wall there. So you've got a decent amount of lighting in here once it gets dark outside. It's not as dark as some of the other villas can be sometimes. Over on the left, we have a picture that we looked in very carefully for hidden Mickeys. We weren't able to find any. It is kind of like the Bora Bora bungalows. There's a pirate ship over here, but we weren't able to find any definite hidden Mickeys. The only one we think might possibly be up here on the left. That lighter green color might be a side profile of Mickey, but it's really hard to tell. There's kind of a lot of abstract paint splotches there. Over behind me, we have that pull-down fifth sleeper bed. This is a bed that will support an adult. It's bigger than the fifth sleepers in the moderate resorts. However, it is smaller than a regular twin-size bed as far as the length goes, at least. So you don't want to have anybody on this who's taller than probably 5'4", 5'5" would be the absolute maximum, I think, on this bed. We've got Lilo and Stitch chilling out in the hammock, just passed out there. Lilo even has Scrump there with her. Really pretty scene back there. And they do have a light switch to turn off that little individual light that is inside that pull-down bed. And there's a hidden Mickey right over here in the rocks to the left of that tree. We have some chairs and a table over here. These have been replaced with brand new chairs that are a different color than they used to have. It matches the theming in here really well. You've got a lamp up on the table with a little Maui statue, just like they have up in the front of the resort in the Great Ceremonial Hall. Behind that, you can see we have a single wall outlet, but 2 USB outlets there, so you've got several places to charge your devices here in this room. And then we have the mirror up there with the distressed wood frame. Over to the left, we have that Murphy bed, but before the bed, we have our coffee table, and this does double as storage. Inside, you'll find there's lots of space for storage in there. It is fairly heavy, but it does have wheels, so you can move it out of the way when you need to pull down the Murphy bed, and you do have to move this table out of the way when you're going to pull that bed down. The bed has a beautiful picture of Stitch there on the beach, and when you want to pull it down, all you have to do is grab this handle and pull. It will collapse down on top of the couch, and the cushions don't have to come off. They fold right up inside the couch, so no need to worry about taking cushions off. Alyssa will pull that down so we can see it here in just a minute. We'll head out here onto the balcony, but first I want to show you the curtains here. They have added a little touch of Moana to these rooms. You can see the symbol there in the middle of some of these shapes, as well as the flowers. So a tiny little touch of Moana added to these rooms to tie it in with the rooms over on the hotel side. Now heading out onto the balcony, we have a really good sized balcony. There's a couple chairs out here as well as a small little table. A lot of space to spread out. I do really like these chairs. They're quite comfortable. And we are on the second floor here, so we've got a balcony, not a walkout patio. It is a standard view, but honestly at the Polynesian, even the standard views are really pretty. We're really close to the quiet pool over here in the Tokelau building, and it's really not that far of a walk over to the Great Ceremonial House or even back over to the TTC to take the monorail. Coming back into the room here, Alyssa has pulled down that Murphy bed for us. You can see it is a queen size bed. You do have a regular mattress on it. It's not quite the same thickness as the mattress on the main bed. As you can see, the main bed mattress is more of a pillow top. This one is a little bit thinner, but definitely a big upgrade from the sofa bed mattress they used to have on there that was super thin. We've got just more of that same pattern that we saw over on the wall in the kitchenette. Back behind the bed, you do have your own little light inside that bed that you can turn on and off as well. And over on the right, just a little bit of a pattern that reminds me of Maui's tattoos in Moana. And that's going to conclude our tour of this newly refurbished deluxe studio here at the Polynesian Villas and Bungalows.
We hope you enjoyed that tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those.
And subscribe to the channel while you're down there. We've got room tours of pretty much every room on Disney property here in Florida, as well as a bunch of stateroom tours on Disney Cruise Line and other Disney resorts around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.